Writing all the copy for every single Google post is such an annoying process, and it takes so much time that it stops me from posting as much as I should on my Google business profile. And that hurts my business. But I'm going to show you a tip today to make it way easier to write engaging copy in a matter of seconds so that you can post more often on your Google posts and attract more customers for your business. So let's share my screen and dive right into this. Okay, I'm going to get started showing you how to more easily write engaging Google business profile posts. But before I do, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great tips for local business owners. So I wrote a post. I did two posts here. I've got a bounce house and I've got party tents. If you look at my bounce house post, this is all I wrote. New bounce house is now available. Call me. That is not very exciting at all, but it was going to take me quite a bit of time to figure out what to write. So I didn't write anything. Some people don't even post. So that's a real miss because these are obviously great promotional posts that could get more customers to my party rental business. So I'm going to go ahead and click here on edit. And I know that I've got 1,500 characters here that I can work with where I can tell people about the new bounce houses I have available. So that's where I open up ChatGPT, and I've got a new chat started here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just prompt it, and I'm going to tell it about my local business. My local party and event rental business just brought in new bounce houses we rent out for events. I would like you to write me an engaging 1,000 character post. Engaging 1,000 character post for my Google business profile, announcing that I now have these bounce houses and encouraging people to call. All right, let's give that a whirl. So now I posted that in, and look at what's happening already for me. Exciting news, our collection just got a whole lot bouncier. We're thrilled to announce that we've added brand new bounce houses to our event rental inventory. Perfect for birthday parties, neighborhood events, or just because. It's always the right time to add a splash of fun. Picture the joy on your child's face when they see these vibrant, inflatable castles of fun. Imagine the sounds of laughter filling your backyard. With our bounce houses, we're not just offering a rental item, we're delivering memories. We're committed to providing high quality, safe, and clean rentals for your peace of mind. So let us be a part of your next event and watch as the fun level skyrockets. Ready to get the party jumping? Give us a call today or reserve a bounce house for your next event. Don't wait, slots are filling up quickly. We can't wait to bring the bounce to your party. That is some good marketing copy. And it took me 2 seconds. All I had to do was write the prompt and tell it what I was trying to do. And now it's going to go from new bounce houses now available to this type of copy, right? Which is a totally different world for my customers. Now I think there's a good chance that they might want to give me a call. So I'm going to update this post now, and it's being reviewed. So it usually just takes a minute for the review, and there it goes. My post is pending. Check it out. How much more enthusiastic is that sounding? How much more engaging is that for my potential customers in my Google post? There it is. Look at the emojis and all the information. Now, if you are interested in bounce houses, if you follow my page, if you search my business name, that's the level of post you're going to see. And I just did that in a matter of seconds using ChatGPT with a good prompt about what I was trying to accomplish. So I'll actually put this prompt in the description just to give you an idea of what you could write to, so that'll kind of help get you started. But just like that, improved my Google post and probably drove a lot more customers to my local business with that post. So leave a comment below. Let us know, or share the prompts that you're using to help your other fellow small business owners be as successful as you are. And if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button for more great content just like this, and hit that like button too so that more people see this video and help grow their small business as well. Until next time, wishing you a lot of success with your small business.